Hi and welcome to the channel. I'm just going to give you a quick review of the DJI Camera Clamp. I saw this on a YouTube channel. I think it was Chase on Two Wheels, and basically he was setting up a video vlogging camera and mic with this clamp. So I've just done the same. I'm just going to show you now quickly what I've got and then how it looks on the crash helmet, and then how it films on the bike. So there is, I know it's not a DJI, but if anyone wants to give me a DJI camera, I would be very grateful. I've got the clamp, and this is the clamp. Now if you see, big spring jaws, rubber jaws onto normal kind of action camera mount, and then that fits onto whatever camera you're using. Fasten it up that way. So that's the clamp itself, quite robust, and this is how we're going to fit it onto this crash helmet. Okay, so just 1 second while I put this on. And that is it. That's all you've got to do. Depending on where you want this thing, you can just kind of point it down a little bit, point it up a little bit, depending on where it is when you're looking through. I normally look through the phone to just make sure that the thing is facing the right direction. So you put it on there. You can use it as is. Chase on Two Wheels did have a DJI wireless mic attached at the back, so you can use it with or without the mic. And then when you've done, just give it a pull that clip apart, and then that's the thing ready to put in the box or put away until you need it again. Your crash helmet then doesn't have that on it, and if you've got more than one crash helmet, you just move it from one to the other. The only drawback that I can see is that when this clamp is on the helmet, it's actually pushing onto that chin guard, so it lets a bit more air inside there than normal. On a cold day, that's a bitch, but on a warm day, it's not going to do any harm. Okay, so that's it. I'll now show you the clip, and hopefully you agree with me. It's quite a good buy. It's only about €20. Okay, thanks for watching.